Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about object-oriented programming using PHP. Object-oriented programming is a widely used concept to write powerful applications. Object-oriented programming has some advantage over other design patterns. Development is faster and cheaper with better software maintainability. This in turn leads to higher quality software, which is also extensible with new methods and attributes. So let's create a new file, op.php, and first we will write a heading, op, and here it is. Now let's create the class GameBox. Class is a blueprint or a logical entry which depicts how an object should be. What are the properties and the functions does the object created with this class must have. And here we will define our properties, which are variables and methods, which are functions. So this is our class GameBox. It is a blueprint, or you can say a pattern or object factory. Let's create an object of this class. A100 is equals to new GameBox. And now let's define a variable. Let's suppose we have a variable name, and I am giving the value GameBox, and a method function description, and I am calling this name using this, and this refers to the class, and the name is this variable, and we can call this method like this, A100, and then description. And here you can see that we have some sort of error, syntax error, unexpected name. It is because we have to access this variable. So this is the accessor, and we have to write here public. And when we save this and run this, and here you can see that this is GameBox. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.